berserk. You know, I think I'll find it later on. I'm just too jittery right now. Johnny told me not to hurt myself, but guess what? I'm gonna hurt myself. I don't know how yet, but I'm gonna hurt myself. I think I'm gonna go get that drumstick over there. See right there? Right there. I think I'm gonna go get it and hit myself on the head with it. I think I'm gonna do it. Oh! I'm a drum now. Ooh. Darn it! Ooh, you see that? You see that? I can throw fire. Do I look psycho right now? Because I think I'm going psycho. Because oh my God. I'm a wee bit light-headed. Remind me never to eat bagel bites, pizza rolls, and Cheez-Its and drinking a Coke with shake. Because I go crazy. You see that? Crazy. My head really hurts right now. Really bad. Maybe I should listen to Johnny. He is really caring about me. But guess what? I'm going to hurt myself again. I don't know how, but I'm going to do it. Why am I carrying this rag around? Dude, there's blood on it. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. See that? I'm bleeding. I think that might be pizza sauce, but I don't know what it is. I need something to do. I need a song to go. Oh, Jesus! Jesus, I good. Very good. Very, very good. You know, see, I bought this book to read for high school, for Pride and Prejudice, but I just got Cliff Notes. See? What's easy? Oh. I'm a superstar. Are you done? Not yet. Got a problem with it. Oh, my bad. I love you, peoples.